boy Famous came back with another video. Sorry, I have not been uploading for a long time, but for my trucking videos, there's gonna be there are two trucks that I'm gonna go on. One is a Volvo 2015, and one is a mystery truck. I don't know which one it is, but yeah. Yeah, right now I'm playing American Truck Simulator, but yeah, so yeah. Yeah, that's all. This is gonna be a video, not short, by the way. So bye.